In this video, we will calculate this integral right here. We have x raised to 7 divided by the square root of 2 minus x raised to 8 dx. So this problem I classified as a u substitution, type 2, direct cancellation, where you'll have a constant remaining. And in the description box, I have two playlists. One playlist I categorize different integral problem, and the other features a collection of random integral problems. And so let's begin this problem. So for this problem, we're first going to identify our u, and our u term will be this piece right here, 2 minus x raised to 8. Now our du would be the derivative, and the derivative piece would be negative 8x raised to 7. And we can get the dx term to be by itself. And we can do that if you divide negative 8x raised to 7 on both sides. So we would get du divided by negative 8x raised to 7 is equal to dx. Now our next step is just to swap. So we'll have the integral parentheses. Okay, we're going to keep our x raised to 7 divided by, this piece will be the square root. Now 2 minus x raised to 8 we said is u, so put a u. And dx, we're going to replace it with du divided by negative 8x raised to 7. So you put times du divided by negative 8x raised to 7, close parentheses. So the x raised to 7, it cancels, and we still have this negative 8. That's remaining. And that's why I classify this problem as a u substitution, direct cancellation with a constant remaining. Okay, next we can clean this up a little bit. So we'll have the integral of negative 1 divided by 8 times the square root of u du. So negative is from here, that's how I got a negative. This term got canceled, that's why it's a 1. And then this is an 8, and this is the square root of u. And so we could even rewrite this as negative 1 divided by 8, the integral of u raised to negative 1/2 du. Now taking the integral of this piece is pretty easy. So we're going to get our negative 1/8 times u raised to 1/2, then divided by 1/2. Because I add 1 here, and negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1/2. And then now your power is 1/2, so you have to divide by 1/2. And so we'll get negative 1/8 times 1 divided by 1/2 would give us negative 1/4 u raised to 1/2. And it's also very important not to forget the plus c. So plus c here, also plus c here. Now we have one more step, and that's to replace u with what we said it was. So u is 2 minus x raised to 8. So we can say our answer will be negative 1/4, and we said u was 2 minus x raised to 8, close parentheses, raised to 1/2 plus c. And we can do one more step. Instead of saying raised to 1/2, you could do the square root symbol. Totally up to you. So you could say negative 1/4 times the square root of 2 minus x raised to 8 plus c. And this right here would be our final answer. And again, if you want more practice, check the description box for more videos.